Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper box. All you need is a big square of paper, some scissors, and some scissors really. The first thing you do is you take your paper and you fold it, match up the points, and fold it in half. It has to be a perfect square for this to work. Then do it the opposite direction. Make sure you are folding a nice sharp crease on the table. Don't ever fold up in the air like that. The next thing you're going to do is take this point and match it to the center and fold it again. And then take this line and match it to the center line. And fold it again. If you didn't get that the first time, I'll do it again, because you have to do it all the way around. So point to center, and then line to center line. Now you can start to see all the boxes that are appearing here, and you'll notice that there is a center that's made up of 4 boxes. You don't have to draw this, but I'm doing this so that you can see it. You're going to cut dotted lines to the box on 2 opposing sides. So here we go. We're going to start on this crease, cut to the square. Start on this side and cut to the square, and then turn it 180 degrees to the opposite side and do it again. Make sure you only do this on these 2 sides. You don't want to do it here. In fact, now you're going to take this big triangle piece, fold it up, and then fold in the wings. And then fold that flat. Turn it this way and do it again. Fold it to the center, fold in the wings, and fold it flat. And you'll notice the box is starting to take shape. So now you take the box and you tuck this piece over, squeeze it on the top, and just tuck it in. And turn it the other direction, do the same thing. And now you have your box. And if you want to make it so that it doesn't come apart, you can get a little sheet of paper that's about the same size and stick it inside, just like that, and it won't come undone. Pretty cool, huh? All right, you do it now.